Good morning, guys. What's up? How's everybody doing? Happy Tuesday. Good morning, Buckaroo. Let's see what's going on. Took a little trade during Asia. Made 32 bucks. Nothing crazy. And I did take a trade during Power Hour yesterday, so that's why I'm at 132. Yeah, in total 132 and 50, because yesterday I ended, I believe, at 30 and then 50, something like that. So little trades here and there. Didn't make any crazy progress without you guys. All right, let's see what news we have going on. First things first. All right. Yeah, we have Truth Social ready to go. But first, let's look at economic news. We've got Fed Chairman Walsh testifying. So he's trying to get appointed as the chairman of the Fed. The head chairman. So that's at 10 a.m. How could this affect the markets? Nomination as the Federal Reserve Chair before the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs. Why traders care? The chairman designate of the central bank. Volatility will likely be experienced during his speech as traders attempt to predict his effect on the bank monetary policy. All right. All right, so let's see what else is going on. What's this crazy person doing? Or is he crazy? We don't know. We'll find out in the history books. In the future, we'll see if he was or if he was a genius. Right now, he's off the wall. Let's see now. What's the last thing he sent? No, he sent this. This is old. Let's see here.
We caught a ship yesterday that had some things on it which wasn't very nice. A gift from China, perhaps. I don't know.
China.
But I was a little surprised, but because I have a very good relationship, and I thought I had an understanding with President Xi, but that's all right. That's the way war goes, right? But I will tell you that we have, our military is incredible, what we've done. I mean, think of it. In the first 3 days, we took out their entire Navy, 159 ships. We caught a ship yesterday that had some things on it which wasn't very nice. A gift from China, perhaps. I don't know. But
perhaps he's going to give it back to China. Maybe. We'll see. So they took another ship yesterday. This is what he was talking about. Iran decided to fire bullets yesterday in the Strait of Hormuz, a total violation of the ceasefire agreement. Many of them. Is this from yet? No, this is. I already closed it. They're helping us. Okay, yeah, this is old. Let's see. What do we got? U.S. Naval Forces board Botswan flag tanker. Got him. That's the Chinese. That's the Chinese tanker that he's talking about in that last video. In the good morning, Lauren. Good morning. U.S. Naval Forces boarded that in the Indo-Pacific after it was identified as a sanctioned vessel linked to Iran. 10-4, we got him. Our oil now. We're like the biggest pirates in the water now. Good morning. They're like, oh shit. Here's the U.S. Navy. They got us. Well, these people are trying to be slick, trying to slide, turning off their transponder. So, you know what? I'm not even mad at it. Fuck them. Trying to be slick, trying to sneak in oil through here, trying to avoid the U.S. dollar. Like, yeah, bro. Shut them down, bro. I don't know who these people think they are, but they're fucking with the wrong ones. I'll tell you that much. A ver, back to the Strait of Hormuz here.
I don't think the regime cares about the people of Iran. And if you did that, I'm sure it's the last thing you'd probably want to do, but it would hurt at least some of the people that we care about and why we embarked on this in the first place. So that would be, I'm sure, a last resort for you.
It's not my choice, but it will also hurt them. It'll hurt them militarily. They use the bridges for their weapons, for their missile movements. You know, they're trying to move the missiles because we've obliterated most of their missiles, and they're trying to move their missiles around, even during the ceasefire, which I think was a good thing because we're totally loaded up. We have so much ammo. We have so much of everything that we've, like, a much more powerful than it was 4 or 5 weeks ago. So we've used this to restock, and they probably have done a little bit of restocking. We caught a...
I don't think the regime cares about the...
Reloading. Anyways, let's see here. Alex, David, I got a Lucid free 100K Pro account yesterday. Let's go, Alex. Let's go. How the hell did you get a free? Oh, is it the little Vault box that they have? That little what's it called? Yeah, they have like a little box with surprises, right? They give that to everybody once in a while. That's pretty cool, man. That's awesome. Don't over leverage, all right? I know you got 100K, probably 4,000 drawdown. They had the vault drawing. Oh, dope. That's nice, man. Yeah. That's great. That's a pro account. I have the Flex account funded. I just passed it last week, so, but it's a 50K, which I already have like a little bit of money in it. So they were celebrating the 1 year anniversary. They've been around 1 year already. That's crazy. That is crazy. But I do like Lucid. Hopefully I can get affiliation with them soon. But let's see. I need more subscribers, guys. I'm almost at 100. Tell your friends, tell your family, like this video. But awesome, man. That's really cool. Let's see what's going on the charts. Let me get to the 1 hour here. Okay, so looks like we hit the all-time high, or the previous day high, right? Let's go to the daily. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, we definitely tapped all-time highs. Damn, bro, what a rip. What a rip. All-time highs right here. Came back up, tapped that during obviously London session. Let's see here. What a ripper. What a ripper. All right, ATR is at 19 on the 5-minute time frame. Let's move this back. This is the daily time frame. We are clearly in a massive V-shaped recovery. We did sweep this swing high here, and we swept the all-time high. So now we're in a really tricky spot, guys, because all-time highs, two things could happen. It either keeps ripping to the upside, or it starts doing a pullback finally. Now remember, these imbalances, they get filled 70% of the time. So is it going to get filled today? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's go back to the hourly. Here we go. Whoa. A little closer to our time frame. This shit is so high, I gotta freaking adjust it. Clearly hit the resistance pivot here. Previous day high. And all-time high. And got a nice little rejection to the downside, as you can see here with this red pull. We're under VWAP on the 1 hour. Let's see, we bounced right here on the 1 hour with the 21 EMA. That is an area that price likes to hang out at, so hopefully it doesn't stay choppy there. All right, price is down there. I'm gonna mark out real quick the London low right here. That's 26,796. Where's the Asia low? Let me move this blue one here. Asia low. Let's go. Asia low looks like it's right here. 26,751, give or take, more or less. 26,751 is the Asia low. And obviously we're gonna mark out the London high. All right, so we got London low, Asia low, and now we're gonna mark out the London high. These are key levels of liquidity, guys. So whenever price gets tapped into here, we're either gonna see a strong pullback or a continuation, and that'll kind of tell us more or less which way the direction of the market might want to go in. That's it. Good morning, Soundgineering. Let's go. Good morning. Hope you guys got your coffee. Market opens in 15 minutes. New York session. We do have a red folder at 10 a.m. so be aware of that. The red folder is the confirmation of Walsh as the Fed chair, and he will be speaking. So if he says anything that could be detrimental to the economy, it might move the market. You know, he's coming in after Jerome Powell. It's gonna be the new Jerome Powell. All right, guys, let's see. We are under VWAP. This could be just a retest, though. There could be a bounce here, so we'll find out in the next 14 minutes what happens. But before that, I just want to do a couple sound effects here just in case you haven't heard them before. For y'all that have heard them, this is clearly Green Giant. That is when the candle is pumping to the moon and going up. Obviously, you'll hear that. When you hear this,
tactical nuke incoming!
The market is clearly going straight to Chinatown. It's going down. You'll also hear I have other sound effects, guys. You already know that. I have, you know, I got sound effects here for days.
He needs some milk.
You know, I could have a good time all day. All right, anyways, let's see what happens. Let's stay patient. ATR is at 19. I'm gonna do 2 micros, and I don't know if I'm gonna copy trade today or just use one account. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm gonna put a poll in the chat just to see what you guys are thinking. I don't really know what this chop here wants to do yet, so let's start a poll. Which way will the market go today? And I just want to see the percentages of what you guys vote for. It doesn't tell me what you vote for, though. So pump. Is it going to be a major pump today, a dump today, or chop today? All right. There we go. Let's start. Oh, I kind of messed up the questioning. Whatever, bro. Whatever. You guys know what I mean, bro. You guys know what I mean. Anyways. I'm going to put that. Make sure to go check the chat and put in your vote what you think is going to pump, dump, or chop. Y'all let me know. Why isn't this working? Okay. There we go. All right. Sorry. Let me make sure I have my alerts on this Twitter fingers president. My goodness. True Social X. Boom. You never know with this guy, bro. You just never know. I got a spike candle. It could work in your favor. Is this new? Wait a second. I have to refresh this already. Market opens in 10 minutes, guys. Don't worry. I'm on it. I'm on it. Let's go here. Let's refresh. All right. So. Oh, this is brand new, right? Yeah. Okay. So Trump on the Strait of Hormuz. They said 2 days ago, we will open the strait. I said, no, we're not going to open the strait until we have a final deal. No, we want to open the strait, they said. We're not opening. We totally control the strait. Just so you understand, for all the fake news out there. Okay, so we're the ones who control the strait.
They said 2 days ago, we will open the strait. I said, no, we're not going to open the strait until we have a final deal. No, we want to open the strait. They said, we're not opening. We totally control the strait, just so you understand, for all the fake news out there.
And, Mr. President.
Oh, okay. I thought there was more to it. I just read it, and then he said it. Okay. Let's go. Is the strait opened? Is the strait closed? Who cares about the strait anymore? I think the market is like, bro, fuck the strait. Fuck it. No. Obviously, it's an important lifeline there for the whole globe. So, I don't know, bro. I don't know. We're playing with fire there, bro. We're really pissing a lot of people off. I'll tell you that much. But good thing, I mean, our military can literally slap up 90% of the world. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Anyways, let's go back to the charts. All right. Let me pull up my other All right, I just wanted to pull the 4-hour time frame. Looks like a hammer to the bottom, guys, on the 4-hour time frame. So just so you have an idea of what is going on over there. We also have an obvious dump to the downside on the 15-minute time frame. So I correlate. Whoa, what the? Y'all saw that? Wait. That shit just moved really fucking violent there for a second. Okay. Did he drop another tweet? Or no? Oh, he did. Well, not really. Or did? Yeah. We got another one. All right. We got like almost 5 minutes. Hold up. Let's go back. Refresh. We gotta hit refresh. Every 10 seconds, it's like refresh. This is crazy, bro. Now what?
People have been killing a lot of.
Wait.
People have been killing a lot of soldiers, a lot of our soldiers, and a lot of other people. They've killed 42,000 people over the last 2 months, and you get to a point where people don't want to mention that. They don't like mentioning that 42,000 unarmed protesters. Innocent, unarmed protesters, many of them hung. So we're not dealing with the nicest group of people, but we're dealing with them very successfully. And the blockade has been a tremendous success. They have been killing a lot of soldiers, a lot of our soldiers, and a lot of other people. They've killed 42,000 people over the last 2 months.
Yeah. We know. They're shitty freaking people. That's for sure. I say bomb them to shit. The problem is that they're assholes and they put civilians in front of all the important areas. Like we say we're gonna blow up a bridge and they'll put a bunch of freaking kids on the freaking bridge. They're savages, bro. They're savages. They're savages. They don't give a shit, man. But anyways, yeah, let's see. All right, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. New York Stock Exchange opens. I'm going to close the poll at 9:30 when the market opens. So you guys can't guess after the fact, all right? Little cheaters. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe. Hit the like button. Get it out the way. Help me. Help me. Help me. Come on. You know I'm a little entertaining. A little informative. I'm better than some of these guys that are on YouTube and they're just looking at their phone. They don't say nothing. It's pure silence. I mean, some people like that shit, but yeah. I'm gonna tell you what's going on. I'm gonna try to keep you guys informed and entertained. That's me. So let's see. What's up, Alex? Question about 50% consistency, 50K flex that I am working on passing now. I made total 270 total first day with it with 3. I made 270 total first day with 3 win, 1 loss, and it said I had a 74% consistency. Second day, 6 win, 6 small losses. It says, okay, yeah, it works. The way the consistency works is at the end of the day, at 6 o'clock, when the day closes, they want to make sure you're 50% consistency. So you can't have a $200 day and then a $3,000 day the next day and then a $4,000 day. They want to see at least 50% consistency. So try to go for, and they go off your highest day. So whatever your highest day is, how much you made on that day, try to stay around that. Don't go over that. So if you make $1,000, don't make more than 1,000. Make 500. Try to stay in the 500. Don't go over 1,000. 800, 700, and you'll get that 50% consistency. As soon as you finish the eval and you get past, there's no more consistency. So yeah, so it'll be a lot cooler. The only thing, had to chop words because limited space. Oh, okay, I got you. No worries. But yeah, it's just keep trading. Just keep trading. Try to stay consistent with how much you're making. Don't go crazy. Market's gonna open in 2 minutes, guys. Just try to keep it. If you make 270, if that's your highest day, try to stay in the 200 range, you know. 150, 200, 150, 200, 150, 200 until you get the target, and then your consistency will go down by default. 50% consistency is not hard at all, guys. It's really not hard. You could do it. Now, if they say like 20%, that shit is hard, you know. There you have to be really freaking consistent. But 50% is doable. You just, you know, I wouldn't do minis, do micros, control it, control your risk, man. ATR's at 18. I think that's pretty decent. The only thing is that we're kind of like in a little chop area here. It is Tuesday. We have red folder news. We got to stay extra patient today. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to close the poll. Put in your vote. Put in your vote on the poll. Which way do you think the market's going to go? Sorry about the question. I kind of botched it. But it's pretty much, what do you think? Chop? Dump? Or pump? It might be a chop day, though. It's already kind of choppy. Look at this shit. Shit. All right, 40 seconds until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Let's see. 30 seconds. Stay tuned, guys. All right, let's look at this little area right here, and you're gonna see it move violently. You already know. You probably see this move a little faster too. This is the 1 hour time frame. 15. It's gonna start flashing here on the screen at 9:30. New York Stock Exchange opens, and I'm gonna put a little noise so you know it's open. And here we go. Okay, this thing has. Oh! This shit is completely going off the rails. That shit completely froze. Wow, did you guys see that shit? Did you guys see that? I don't know if it looked the same on your screen. That shit went psych and then crazy green, solid green giant there.
Green giant.
Tapped VWAP. Oh! 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 What is happening? Whipsaw. All right, so we obviously took London low. Is it going for the Asia low? Oh my goodness! If you went long there, you just got cooked. Yeah. Don't trade the first 9:30 candle, guys. That's literally gambling.
Let's go gambling! Oh dang it! Oh dang it! Oh dang it!
But yeah, oh shit, this is dumping now. It is straight.
Tactical nuke incoming!
So what did the poll say? So chop 50%, pump 25. 4 votes. Okay. So you guys think overall it's gonna be choppy. Overall, you guys think it's gonna chop, and this thing is completely dumping straight to Asia low. Oh my goodness. Straight tactical nuke now. This is crazy. Wow.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Wow. I hope you didn't go long. Yeah, if you went long, you are completely cooked at this moment.
Tactical nuke incoming!
All right. Enough of that. As you can see, it obviously took out the London low, took the Asia low out. Let's see if it continues to flush. What's the next level? Let's look at ES real quick. Wow, what a dump. Crazy. We're way under VWAP at the moment, guys. So if you want, you thought it was going up. Completely wrong. It went straight for those lows. Oh, and it keeps dumping. It keeps going. Oh my goodness. This thing continues to flush. It just pumped or dumped a little more. OMG. This is crazy. Alright, so now we're going to see if it swept a bunch of liquidity down here or if it's going to continue going down. But yeah. Major dump here. Volatility. When this candle closes, we're going to see what the ATR jumps to. It's currently 18. Let's see. All right, guys. So it's going for that pivot point all the way at the bottom here. It looks like it wants to retest at least 50% of this range here, I think. If we get the Fibonacci tool right here. So we're going to measure from here all the way down here, all the way to the top. So we got about 60% of this whole range retested. Let's see if this thing wants to bounce or go straight to the 76% of that range. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's stay patient and let's see. This is the 1 hour time frame. It has been on a ripper. Obviously, it tapped the London, the all-time highs and the previous day highs, tapped the resistance pivot here and has completely rejected to the downside, ripped VWAP. Let's see if it comes all the way down and hits the pivot point and then shows some sort of a bounce. So we have this 5-minute candle about to close. The ATR is currently 18 and it just jumped from 18 to 24 from that 5-minute candle closure. Let's see what happens. Just wanted to change the music up a little more. Oh, whoa, this thing is continuing to dump. Let's see if it, I think it's gonna go down to this pivot point here. Wow, this thing's getting off the screen here. Let me fix that a bit. We got a major pivot point here. Let's see if it bounces. Before I take any kind of short, I want to see some sort of a pullback, retest. Just got to stay patient, guys. We're going to wait for the 15-minute orb and see what happens. Right now, VWAP, we are under VWAP, so shorts are currently in play unless it gets way up here again. Dude, I'm sorry. I wish I could play reggaeton and I could play, you know, actual real songs, but YouTube will literally stop the stream because I don't have a license to play any of that music. So I got to play their YouTube hits. I try to find the best things they got. I mean, these beats are semi okay. Maybe one day I'll get licensing. But yeah, if I play any song that has a copyright on it, forget it, I'm cooked. I think when I first started streaming, I tried that. And everybody's like, hey, your stream went black. What happened? I was like, oh, yeah, can't do that. This is Instagram. You can't just play any song. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, appreciate it, share with your friends, let them know. We are 13 weeks profitable, shooting for 14. Thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305. I'm trying to educate you guys here and entertain you, not financial advice. He's got the mug too. Okay, David, with the merch. Let's go, Lauren. Let's go. Let's see what happens here, guys. You guys said chop. I mean, it's very possible this thing could come right back up and just start going sideways. Remember that there's 10 a.m. red folder news, guys. 10 a.m. red folder news. Oh, Alex not trading this morning. He's at the office today. Uh-oh. Be careful, guys. Last time he was at the office, what happened? Oh, no. We hit a banger. We hit a banger, and he was like, shit, I couldn't take that. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we can hit a nice trade. All right, first 10 minutes, and we're just waiting for 5 more minutes until we have the 15-minute orb set, guys. 5 more minutes, and we have our set 15-minute orb. That is my strategy with VWAP Confluence, higher time frame Confluence, and ES Confluence. So I know that it's a 70% win rate because I've been doing it for a couple years. So, and I've back tested it over 5 years. So that's what I'm confident about, you know. Everybody has their own strategy though. You guys follow your strategy. You could use me as Confluence though. Let's see what happens, guys. Whenever you guys see the Porsche in the background, it's probably because I'm switching screens to look at the higher time frames and things like that. Just in case you guys are wondering, like, oh, why do I always see a flash of the Porsche or the desktop? Yeah, I'm switching screens to look at the higher time frames. Just in case you guys are like, what is going on? Yeah, that 4-hour time frame is a massive hammer to the bottom right now. Now it is at the pivot point, pretty close to the pivot point here, guys. So usually wants to retest that. And we also have at that pivot point the 200 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah. Now we just got to stay patient though. We got to stay very patient with this market. ATR is at 25. Not too crazy, but we got to be careful. There's also red folder news at 10 a.m. Walsh will be getting the nomination for Fed chair to replace Jerome Powell as the Fed chair, the head of the Fed. So let's see what happens, guys. Gotta stay patient. Stay patient. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Get that out the way if you can. I appreciate it. I think I only need like a couple more subscribers to hit 100 subscribers. Come on, help me get to 100, man. Tell your anybody, tell your neighbor, yeah, tell anybody, hey, just subscribe. I know you don't care about trading, but let's just get this guy to 100. Then the next goal, nothing crazy, just 1,000. Then after that, 5,000. But let's get to 100 first. Let's get to 100 first. Come on, everybody has YouTube. I don't know a person that doesn't have YouTube, to be honest. Let's see. Let's see, guys. All right, well, this thing is definitely going right back up. It was a pretty big bounce there at super trend. That is the super trend. That is the trend of overall market. If it breaks that, then the trend flips to going down. But currently hasn't broken it, so let's see what happens. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500 and see how that's doing. Well, it's very similar to what the NASDAQ is doing currently. We clearly have a downtrend here, clearly under VWAP, inversion happening. If we could get a strong rip up here, maybe we're gonna need a break and a retest. I haven't even set the orb. My God, I was so focused on everything else. I hope you guys set the 15-minute orb. Oh my God, look at this. This shit just went straight back down. All right, so we got 935, 940, 945. All right, so we're gonna mark right here the orb. Ah, my bad. Here we go. All right, that's your 15-minute orb. Your opening range, 15 minutes, and then the B stands for breakout, right? So we're gonna wait for it to break out of that range to get the overall direction of which way the market wants to go for the rest of the day. And then we're just gonna ride that wave. Simple, right? Let's see. We're gonna mark it out here on the S&P 500 also. So we got the 935, 940, 945. We got this one popping up and this one going down. What's going on here? Get on the same page here. Get with the program. All right, let's see what's going on this side. Make sure I kind of marked it correctly. Close enough. Let me mark it out here also on the 15-minute time frame. I like to do that once in a while. Just got to be careful. We do have the EMA 200 at the bottom of the pivot point. So right here on this pivot point, it's purple. There's an EMA 200 on the 15-minute time frame, so there could be a bounce off that pivot point. So just got to be really careful. And look at this. This one's trying to go down. This one's a freaking shooting star to the upside. What the hell is going on here? We got a divergence. Overall time frames, higher time frames are bearish at the moment. All right, this is getting a nice bounce too on the 1 hour time frame on the NASDAQ. Let's see. We're gonna stay patient. It's clearly inside the middle of the range right now. And it might be popping out of the range on ES to the upside, but oof. A lot of resistance here. We got EMA 200, VWAP, EMA 21, EMA 50. We got super trend, and this thing is it gonna follow ES? Interesting. Very interesting. Gotta stay vigilant here. ATR is 26. We do have red folder news at 10 a.m. Might not move at all. Depends on what the guy is talking about. They are trying to confirm Walsh as the Fed chair to replace Jerome Powell when his term is up. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Feel free to ask me any questions. There are no stupid questions here. David, what's the green candle? What is that green bar going up? That is the market price going up. That's the price of the NASDAQ going up in the last 5 minutes. All right. We're literally inside the middle of the range. I don't want to take a long, even if this breaks out. We got VWAP right here, guys. Right here. So for me to go long, I'm going to need a strong closure outside. Maybe even a retest to keep going. This looks sketchy. Even though it is an inversion on ES, we obviously have a lag on NQ. We trade NQ, so it's obviously lagging. Something's up. Something is up. I feel like it doesn't really want to go up. It might. Okay, maybe it does. I don't know shit. Let's see, guys. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Nothing. All right, stay patient, guys. Nothing else we could do. Just watch. Wait for a breakout. It didn't even break out to the upside yet, so you know, I don't know. Might wake up there and then come right back down. So, oh man, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that's a big pop up, but it could come right back down again. I mean, anything is possible here. Or it just chops all day. We might not trade today. We might not take a trade. Depends. Okay, so you're gonna completely liquidity sweep down here and rip V-shaped recovery. We'll see, guys. What is ES doing? ES is trying to, well, it inversed it. Let's see if VWAP holds it down, if all these EMAs hold it down, or if it's just gonna rip right through them. My whole thing is that we got VWAP here on NQ, so when it hits VWAP on NQ, this thing might start reversing right back down. Might want to retest orb. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Look at ES. ES is breaking out of orb as we speak. And NQ looks like it's inversing, but that VWAP there has got me a little skeptical. Let's see. All right, we're getting a possible breakout on ES, and NQ is trying to go higher. I'm interested in seeing what happens once it taps VWAP here. We obviously got a sweep of the London lows and the Asia low, and a quick bounce. Not a quick bounce. Well, it's bouncing now. Oh, there it goes. It's completely bouncing then. Is it gonna bounce straight through this inversion here? I'm sorry, this imbalance, and inverse it? Let's see. Oh, it's getting rejected. Psych. Didn't fill that gap. Let's see. Oh, it filled. Yeah, it filled most of it. I think I left a little gap right there. We do have VWAP here, guys, so just be careful with that. ATR is 28. That's sand. They're dirt. Bro, that's crazy. Yeah. Let's see, guys. That was a major pump. It's gonna tap VWAP now. That's what I'm really waiting for, to see how it reacts when it taps here. If it continues to rip, we'll wait for a little pullback and then a continuation. Now, if we get a complete rejection here straight back down, obviously we're looking for the short. But let's see what happens. This is crazy. This wick right here. What a sweep. That's a manipulation. That's major manipulation right there. Super liquidity. See, were you part of that liquidity or what? Anybody try to take this short here and got completely cooked? Wow. This thing is breaking out. It didn't even retest the top of orb on ES. We are at VWAP. We are at VWAP now. Okay, is it gonna break right through it? Oh man. Patience, guys, patience. No FOMO. No FOMO, don't chase. ATR's at 29. 29 on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see. Let's see what happens with this. Is it gonna break to the upside? I'm not taking the breakout. I want to see a retest of VWAP again, or the top of orb. I want to see a little rip up, tap, and then continuation. So I want to see a rip up, come back down, continuation. That's what I want to see. So we're going to wait. If it does this and then it completely dumps down, then we go short. But if it goes up, bounces, okay. But if it, this is speculation, obviously, but so we're looking to see what kind of pattern it does. Yeah, 100%. 100%. I would wait for a break of VWAP and then a retest of VWAP to go long. Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking for. I don't want to look at this. Could be running out of steam. Want to check for, it wants to come back, check for support and continue, or break that support and continue on its higher time frame down. But this is a massive bot up. It got massively bought up, and now it's turning into a fucking bullish pin bar. This shit might be going to the moon, bro. I just, it's hard not to get FOMO, but yeah, we definitely gotta wait and look at market structure. It's all about catching it at the right time, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. All right. It is clearly breaking right through VWAP. Let's see how this candle closes. Wow. Tell me this is not a green giant, man. Massive.
Green giant.
Look at this. This is, I know it looks like a doji, but
Green giant.
that's a giant. That's a green giant right there. That's completely bought up from the lows. Everything up. This is green as it could get. Green here. So crazy. Hope you didn't go short. You got murdered. If you went short here, oof. Always wait for the retest. So this is kind of a retest from it going down. It's either going to continue or completely reject to the downside, and then we'll take the short. If it's retest comes down and doesn't continue going down, it rips right back up, then it wants to continue going up. And that's not 100%, obviously. That's like, probability of it. But on the higher time frame, you could see here, this is a massive shooting star, bullish pin bar, whatever you want to call it. That shows you it doesn't want to go down. There's nothing but buyers This wick shows you nothing but buyers, guys. So let's see. Wow, it kind of broke out of the orb here at the last second. At the last second, it broke out of orb. Now, this is tricky, guys. Now we want to see it come back down, like I said, retest, and then come right back up and close. Kind of doing that right now. Oh my God! Wow. Now this is crazy here. Was that the retest? Was that the retest? I don't know, man. This is super. They're making it really difficult. So this was the 10 a.m. candle, guys. So just be careful. Look at that bullish pin bar. Yeah, it looks like it wants to rip. This shit is playing games. Red folder news. Shit can move any way depending on what this guy says, so just be careful. Wow, it literally broke right at the edge. I'm waiting for a retest, guys. I'm gonna wait for a little red. I'm not gonna chase this yet. This thing has been pumping. If it runs without me, it runs without me, and it is what it is. But look at this. Look at this. Wow. What a bullish momentum here. That is, the bulls completely took over and killed the bears on this candle of the 1 hour. They are like, thank you. Better price, better price, better price, better price, all the way up. Yeah. Hopefully that wasn't the retest, this little freaking wick. I wanted to see a little more and then a complete pop right back up. There is still 4 minutes or 3 minutes left on this candle, so just stay patient, guys. Stay patient, don't chase. That's how you get caught. That's how you get caught. Don't chase. And it didn't really break out strong. That was like a quick last second break. Remember, it just broke VWAP. Might want to come down, test it, or completely inverse and continue to go down. This was the top of this massive red candle. So we're going to find out what it really wants to do. Just stay patient, guys. On the 4-hour time frame, it did close as a doji, which means massive indecision. A doji is a cross candle. If you want me to, I could pull it up so you guys could see. There's your doji. Now, there's a little red doji, right? But it's overall undecided at the moment on the 4-hour time frame. Just got to be really careful here. It could chop. It could chop sideways here. This was a big move. This is a big V-shaped recovery, though. Just waiting for the pullback. That's what I want to see. I want to see a pullback. Ideally, red candles. And then a green candle breaking out again. That's when I'll take it. Hopefully this is looking like it wants to go up at that moment. Oh man, I could miss the move completely. I mean, it's possible, guys. You guys could do what you like, but I'm gonna try to stay patient here. All right, come on, give me that pullback. Give me that pullback. There we go. There we go. See a nice little pullback, little red, a few red candles, maybe 2-3 red candles, and then a nice green candle to the upside. So we'll have to wait a few minutes. We got 40 seconds until this candle closes. Just stay patient. Look at the 1-hour time frame here. Looks like it wants to close like a chop. Looks like it wants to close down here, so somewhere here. Let's see. What is this? Yeah, there it is. 821. 821. So yeah, it looks like it wants to close around here. Around here. Let's see. 10:04. 7 seconds, 6 seconds. Let's see. All right. There it goes. All right, so we have a little imbalance here. This candle is very important now. This candle is very important. I want to see the confirmation though, Alex. Yeah, I don't like guessing because it could rip straight back down. And then I'll be like, damn, I should have taken the short. I wasn't patient enough. But I could also miss the move. So I mean, but I like waiting for my confirmation. Gives me more confidence in the trade. So we got the red candle. If it breaks to the upside, let's see. Got a red candle here. If it breaks to the upside, then I'll take the long. Hopefully it doesn't take out this massive liquidity up here. Just closes, I don't know, around here. That'd be nice. Let's see what happens though. Still got time. Let's stay patient. Looks a little undecided on the 4-hour time frame. Don't go too high, please. Give me 3 minutes and close about here. Let's see. I definitely know it wants to fill this on the ES and maybe this, maybe. But I know if it wants, it's got 50% of that imbalance. Might want to fill the rest of it. Just got to stay patient, guys. Hang tight, because if this thing goes straight back down again, now we could be looking for shorts, you know. Don't want to jump into it too soon. Let's see, let's see. This is a beautiful freaking bullish pin bar, man. Wow. You gotta be careful. Sometimes it wants to retest this shit, or at least half of it, to make sure that all the buyers bought. I don't know. Two minutes and 41 seconds. Oh, don't run without me, please. Hang tight. Don't go. Don't go, baby. Come back. 2 minutes. Let's go. Patience, patience, guys. Oh, patience. Don't go too far. Don't go too far, NASDAQ. Don't go too far without me. Slow it down, Turbo. Oh man, ATR is 31. $22 points so far outside. Oh no, don't run. You got a minute and 20 seconds. Don't run without me, NASDAQ. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Just hang tight. Hang tight. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do, let's do four micros on one account. I'm not gonna copy trade. Let's see what happens. Market's a little strange. All right, guys. So if this breaks to the upside, obviously I'm going long in 40 seconds. I think it wants to get up there. Please don't go up there yet. Come on, 30 seconds. Relax, 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 relax. Relax, NASDAQ. Relax. ATR is 31. 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. Relax, NASDAQ. Relax, NASDAQ. Come on. Hang tight. Hang tight. All right. 8 seconds. And
order filled.
all right. We are in. We're in long, guys. We are in long. 4 micros. I'm going to close 4 out. 2 out right here. As a partial, if I get it. We'll get it right here. Sell 2.
Order submitted.
All right. Let's see if it stops me out. It stops me out. That's complete chop then. All right. Now it's coming down for a bigger retest. What a bad entry too. My goodness, I didn't get the bottom of that. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Pump it. Every time frame is very bullish right now. There we go. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Let's go.
Green giant.
Let's go. Let's get a ripper. Let's get a ripper. Come on. Come on. There we go, baby.
Green giant.
Y'all can close whenever you want. Y'all can close it.
Green giant.
Whenever you guys want. Feel free to close it. I'm going to hold on for dear life here. Let's go. Let's go. Pump it. Pump it, baby. Pump it. Where the bulls at? Where the bulls at? Y'all can close it whenever you want. Feel free. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. A little more. Let's take a partial right here at half. All right, we're at 100. We're at $100. Y'all can close it whenever you want. Feel free. Oh no, don't run out of steam, NASDAQ. Don't run out of steam. Pump it. Just a little more. Just a little more. Did you guys take that long with me? Anybody close already, or everybody just holding on for dear life here? Oh, come on, NASDAQ. I know you want to go higher. I know you want to go higher than that. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. What do we got here? Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. We got another imbalance here on the 5-minute time frame on ES. Let's see. Come on, let's get that partial. Let's get that partial at least. Don't take me out. No crazy news. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. I believe in you, NASDAQ. I believe in you, NASDAQ. Let's go. Oh, come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. Oh, no. Just ran out of juice. Come on. Don't run out of juice yet. Just a little pump. You already retested? What are you retesting? Oh, my goodness. Don't tell me you're going to chop me out now. Don't tell me that. Oh, don't come back down. Get up there, NASDAQ. Stop playing around. They've been playing games, man. NASDAQ playing games with everybody. Come on, look at ES. ES wants to go higher. Just retested. Close stronger. Let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Anybody close early and close in the green? Maybe I should have. I don't know. Maybe I should have. Hopefully I have enough wiggle room. I don't get murdered here. Putting 400 on the table. 400 on the table. Let's see if I can get a pump here, please. Let's get a big pump. Come on, you didn't even get close to the resistance pivot. All right, this candle's gonna close in 8 seconds. 5, 4. Oh man, what a bad one. Just ran out of juice. Ran out of juice. Let's see if it gets back up there. Hopefully. This is your 1 hour time frame here. Look bullish, man. It just started doing its little pullback. The moment David enters, it did a little pop, then it completely started pulling back. Hopefully this was a fake out to the downside. People took some shorts and now they're getting cooked. Let's see. Rip all those short orders, please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back at break even here. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. I'm hanging on for dear life, guys. This a massive V-shaped recovery or what? Let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. Give it to me, please. Come on. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. You're already up there. Just go for that resistance pivot. W. You got a W? All right. Let's go, Soundgineering. Let's go. Man, is this shit just going to chop sideways all day here? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Push it to the limit. Come on. Stop trying to hit me and hit me. What movie, guys? What movie? Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Don't run out of juice. Give me a nice little pop. Nice little pop. Let's go. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Get it. I believe in you, NASDAQ. I believe in you, NASDAQ. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. There you go, NASDAQ. At 100. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Should I close this shit out? Well, at least 2 here. Should I hang on? Let's close.
Order filled.
Let's close 2 right there, guys. Let's not mess around. We're gonna move to break even here. And now, of course, it goes straight to it. But you know, that's how it goes, guys. I closed 2 out. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Not bad. We're at 100. Oh no, it's coming right back down. Don't do it. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Don't go back to my break even. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Keep pumping, please. Please. Oh no. It's running out of juice. No, 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 no. Rip it. Rip it. Just go rip. We could close 1 here if it even gets there. I don't.
Stop filled.
Whatever, man. A win's a win, man. This thing is really struggling to go higher. And I don't want this to completely reverse and start dumping. And then I get caught. So that's why I moved to stop and break even pretty quick there, guys. Whatever. $64, man. This market is really making it tough for me on the continuations, man. There's no bottom wick also on this 5-minute candle, so it might want to make a bottom wick. That's my other concern and why I moved to break even so quick. It just took that, like, it didn't even tap where I originally had the partial, was right here, so it wouldn't have tapped it. So that's why I just took it myself. Got $64 on that trade. Not great, but green is green, guys. Now this shit wants to come down. Just be careful, guys. Alright, we're gonna have to wait. If we're gonna look for another trade, we're gonna have to wait. But the good thing is we are up 123 and 132 on the week. Well, 123 on this account. They're both funded accounts. No evals here. These are both funded accounts. What I need for a payout, you're gonna laugh. For this account, obviously, you can see 126,825. The target for the payout on that account is 106,000. I clearly hit the target, right? My issue is that I need 30% consistency. That day that I hit over $60,000 on multiple accounts, wrecked the consistency. I hit $25,000 and obviously obliterated the consistency on that account. So I'm just taking little trades here and there. I do have drawdown of over $20,000, so I could be doing minis with this account easily and not even worry. But I'm not in a hurry, guys. I'm not in a hurry. I have a lot of money in there. I'm gonna obviously get the max payout once I get the consistency down. And then this is a brand new funded account that I passed last week. That was the eval that I was taking for some time. We're up $132. Nothing crazy, but green is green, and we're just gonna constantly take our little wins as much as possible until we get a payout. Just gotta have patience. Look at this shit. Good thing I moved to break even, huh? My stop was right about here, so either got very close to my stop or got stopped out. So yeah, it ran out of juice, guys. Completely ran out of freaking juice. So we got some W's in the chat. Let's go. Some W's in the chat. We got Soundgeneering with the W. We got Bakaru with the W. Let's go. I got the W. We got W's. Anybody that's watching me got a W, that's for sure. It is 10:21. The market is kind of choppy, guys, to be honest. This shit is going up, down, up, down, up, up, right back down. It's pretty choppy. So conditions are not ideal. Let's see how this goes. I could risk another account. What do you guys think? Another trade? You guys want to see me take another trade? Or just end it for the day here, David, and tomorrow's another day? Tell me in the chat. I'll do what you guys ask. If you guys say, look for another trade, please, I'll look for another trade. If you say, nah, we're good, W's, we're done, I'll shut it down and we can come back tomorrow. But it is a little choppy, guys. One more, David. All right, one more it is. One more it is, Lauren. I'm plus 275, but let's do another one. Oh boy. Okay, don't risk the whole 275s. Do one micro, Soundgeneering. I don't want you to go negative in case I blow it. All right, let's stay patient. Let's see if we can catch another one then. Which count am I gonna risk? This one doesn't have much drawdown, so let's stay with the same one. I'm gonna do one micro. We're not gonna get crazy here. Do one micro, and we're gonna wait. Remember, guys, the only thing you can control is how much you're willing to lose. Or yeah, look at this shit. This shit's going right back down. Uh-oh. What's ES doing? Let me look at the other time frames real quick. Let's look at ES. ES is dumping back to VWAP, back into the orb. That's not good. Yeah, this shit completely ran out of juice here. That's why I moved. I mean, I just saw it struggling to go higher, because it right here, this candle should have ripped. It didn't. And then I was like, oh, not good. Then this candle was struggling. I knew it wanted to get the top of this wick, but it just ran out of juice right here. So I was like, kind of stalled. So I was like, all right, let me move to break even, close it. And then we got this bullshit. Would have stopped us out if it would have just not taken a partial or moved to break even. So sometimes you have to read the price action in real time so you don't get cooked. That's a key component, guys. You got to stay fluid with the market. The market is fluid, so you got to make quick quick decision making on the spot. You can't just some people just lock it in and just let it ride, and sometimes that works out, but I like to wait to see what the market is kind of showing me. All right, so it's retesting VWAP here, kind of retested those lows, the imbalance. So retesting VWAP on ES. If this candle shoots to the moon, might look for a long there. Let's see. Let me look at other time frames over here. Ah, wrong one. Okay, so on the 15-minute time frame, looks like this is a retest of the orb on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's see. Oh, I got the wrong one there. There we go. And on the 4-hour time frame, we got a complete doji. It's super undecided right now, so we got to be very, very careful. Very careful here. Let's see. Let's see. Now this thing wants to go down or up. What is it gonna do? Kind of tapped VWAP there. It's not giving that pop outside of orb again. But if it does, okay. I want to see a strong green candle close up here and up here or higher, and we'll go long again. But if it closes down here, guys, now you got to be careful, because then it might be the shorts in play. Yeah, I want to see a nice green candle up here. That shit would be fire right here, and we'll get a little pop to the resistance pivot. All right, we got 2 minutes and 40 seconds, so stay patient, guys. Let's see how it reacts to this EMA 50 here on the ES. If it rips right through it and closes, might be a long again. Let's see. If it closes inside of orb, we gotta be more patient. Oh shit. As soon as I said it, it's like, that sounds like a good idea. Bump. It goes right back in. Might want to do a deeper retest. Got to be careful here, though. This is very tricky, guys. Very tricky. I'm doing 1 micro. Okay. Okay. We got 1 minute and 45 seconds. Stay patient here. 4-hour time frame doesn't look great. I'll tell you that much. 4-hour time frame does not look good. Very undecided. It might want to go lower on the 4-hour time frame. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. It's kind of showing a hammer to the downside on the. This candle closure is going to be very important on what the. Look at this 4-hour time frame looking like a hammer. Remember, higher time frames have more power than the smaller time frames, guys. But that is 4 hours, so it's big difference. So let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is looking like a hammer, so it looks like it doesn't want to go up. And 15-minute time frame also looks like it wants to go back into orb, so that's not a good sign that it wants to go up. We're gonna sit tight here. Gonna have to sit tight. Looks like it wants to do a deeper retest to the bottom. Yeah. If it can't break out of the orb and it stays inside, or even if it closes right here at the edge of orb, guys, it's rough, man. Okay, is it pumping? I hope this shit ain't a fake out, man. Yeah, I want to see a break above here, man. I'm not taking this. I want to see a break. Okay, perfect. So there's an inversion. There's a imbalance here. I want to see this get inversed, close green before we go long. Okay, there goes the fucking long to the moon now. Nice job, David. It just wasn't showing it to me, man. I don't know. It was trying to make it difficult. Oh shit! Quickly sold that shit. Somebody sold a big ass order right there, or hit a major stop loss. Okay, or somebody tweeted some shit. Any new tweets? I mean, it's possible at this point. Let's see. Okay, well, clearly, guys, if this thing does close green and versus this, I'm going for a long. All right, that's what I'm looking for, in case you're wondering. This shit just turned choppy. It just turned choppity chop. Oh, does it want to go lower? That's why I didn't trust this breakout to the upside here. It did move a little high up, and then it completely got popped straight down. Look at ES. Look at ES, guys. Look on the right. Look at this shit. Uh-oh. Should probably extend the orb, right? There's your orb. Extended. Let's line it up so we're looking at the same stuff, sort of. This is S&P 500, guys. This is the NASDAQ. Gonna stay patient here. Looks very undecided, very choppy. What did you miss? Nothing. I took a little long. Took a partial here and then got hit at break even, and then obviously this shit came rushing down. Made a few dollars, nothing crazy. $64 what I made. I'm looking for a second trade right now. Let's see if I could find it. I don't know if it's kind of choppy right now, kind of undecided on the higher time frames. Doji on the 4-hour, so at least you're green. Yes sir, yes sir. Better than red, that's for sure. Everybody got a little W. I don't know how much. Sound engineering got 275. Everybody else got a W. Okay, you see, this is why I didn't want to take this long until I saw a good green candle closure up here. This bullshit right here. This shit might want to go down. It's retesting freaking VWAP again. Let's see, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. Okay, is it going to go up? It's going to go down. Oh man. Sorry about the yawn. Sorry. Wow. ES is dumping. You got 40 seconds. Want to see what this candle does. And Q is trying to go higher. Okay. ES is trying to go lower. Man, here we go. Truth Social. Iran leaders who soon be in negotiation. Okay. Is that good news? We're gonna start negotiating with these people. Oh, back to indecision, guys. I do not like that. Nope. Nope, nope. We got a red candle here under VWAP, and we have indecision here. So this could go straight back down. And I am not confident about taking a long yet. Oh man. Thought I saw a fly. Being very patient here, guys. I'm very patient. See what the market really wants to do. It's kind of very undecided right now on the 4-hour time frame. Even on the 15-minute time frame, it's kind of a doji right now. Doji, doji, doji. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. A little bit of a pump now. All right, is this the pump we're looking for? Let's see. Is it gonna get right back up there? Hopefully it doesn't go all the way up here and just like turns green about here. And we'll take a nice little long to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Don't run without us, NASDAQ. Please do not run without us. What is ES doing? ES, you're going to figure it out. If ES closes green above VWAP and this thing closes green, we'll go long. Fair enough. We still got 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see what it does. It could completely dump and follow ES right now. I don't know. ATR is at 32, guys. The average trading range is at 32. This is tricky stuff, man. Today is super chop. Let me tell you, we're trading a massive chop fest here. Look at ES. ES wants to go down and Q wants to go up. What a divergence. That's what's making it difficult. That's why it's kind of staying as a doji. Doesn't know what to do. Oh man. Look at ES keeps dumping. Uh-oh. ES wants to fill that imbalance down there. Politicians speaking. Well, yeah. That's why this shit's undecided. Maybe they're waiting for like a trigger word. Let's see what happens, guys. So we know this is going nowhere right now. We still have what? Until this candle closes. 2 minutes. All right, let's look. 2 minutes we have to look at the news. Let's see Mr. Trump here, what he's posted so far. That was old. What the hell is this? Okay, the Iranian leaders who will soon be in negotiations with Brazil would greatly appreciate the release of these women. Okay, yeah, if they're alive. Let's see what happens. I'm sure they will respect the fact that you did so. Please do them no harm. Would be a great start to our negotiations. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Okay, so protect the women. Let's go. Let's get those women back. Chairman. Yes, the chairman is speaking. That is Mr. Walsh. That's getting confirmed into the Fed position by the Senate committee. So yeah, if he's speaking, this shit could get volatile, guys. Just got to be very careful. So I'm only doing 1 micro. Hopefully I don't blow the small little win that I did. Looking for this second trade, but I don't see any good confirmation, to be honest. Nothing yet. It's super undecided. I'm not taking a long or a short until I see he just finished. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait, because this thing is in chop mode. Oh, clear chop mode, Danny. Don't take anything yet. This doesn't know what it wants to do just yet. Come on, NASDAQ. Never mind, they're arguing. Oh, that's not good. Okay, right back up again, right down, back into orb. It's back into orb on the NASDAQ. ES continues to dump. Yeah, man, I think this wants to do a deeper retest. It looks like a hammer on every time frame. Every time, 15 minute, 4 hour. It's looking like a freaking dumperoonie. VWAP is the only thing holding this shit up right now. Every time it taps VWAP, it bounces. Okay, so it filled this imbalance here. It was pretty quick. I kind of missed it. I think I saw it from like the side of my eye. It go pop. Okay, looks like hit some liquidity, some lows. Nah, I think it might want to go a little lower. Oh man. Oh, forgive me for the yawning. Let's see. All right, looks like a hammer. We're back inside of orb on NQ. And we're clearly inside orb in the middle almost on ES. Oh shit, what happened there? Oh, did they say we got a deal? Do we got a deal? Holy shit, bro, what in the world? This shit just completely ripped to the fucking moon. Wow. Yeah, this is what happens when the politicians are speaking, man. They can say random ass shit and this shit just fucking spikes. Takes out those stop orders. I don't know if we should trade, guys. Personally, those spike candles like that scare the shit out of me. I don't know if you guys ever experienced slippage, but you can put your stop at 100 and end up losing 500 and wondering what the hell happened. Your stop order doesn't get filled and it gets filled lower because it ripped right through the order. The opposite is true also. It can rip right through your TP and actually close you out a lot more. So I don't know, guys. Mr. Warren is cooking him. Miss Warren cooking him. I think Miss Warren is a little Mickey Mouse. She makes some points, but then sometimes she goes off the rails. I mean, let's be honest. Jerome Powell is a good chairman. So to replace Jerome Powell, is this guy an upgrade? I don't know. We'll see. They have to cook him a little bit, man. They have to cook him. Wow, what a sweep of the highs there. Complete rejection right back down. What in the world is going on? Yeah, it's not gonna make it easy for us. Look at it. This is chop, guys. 5 minute. It's been going sideways since the breakout here. Pop. Went a little high, came back down, went a little higher, went a little higher, came right back down. This is chop. This whole range right here, not good. Not good at all, guys. Oh man, I'm fighting to stay awake. I need stronger coffee. All right, we're back inside orb. This is a hammer on indecision on ES. No trade yet. We're gonna stay patient, guys. We're gonna stay patient until the market really shows us what it wants to do. Right now, it's retesting. I would say it's retesting VWAP. See if it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Retesting the lows. Let's see what happens. Remember, it did this massive wick to the bottom, guys. If you look at the higher time frame, look at this shit. This shit went psych. It might want to come right back down here because this shit got completely bought up. I don't know, man. Oh, man. These conditions are not great, guys, to be honest. When my trade breaks out, retest, breaks out, and doesn't continue to deliver to the swing high of London, even with the resistance pivot here, that shows that there's not good price action, because that should have been a pop all the way up here at least 70% of the time that works. 100% of the time. It's dumping, man. This shit is clearly dumping, trying to fill these imbalances. It might inverse these imbalances, but now, so now, guys, if this closes strongly red, this shit might be wanting to go lower, man. I don't know. I have to stay really freaking patient here. Not looking good. Look at this shit. Look at this motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. My bad. Sometimes, you know, that shit'll make you curse. Look at this shit. Okay. Massive inversion here. Now, so went up, rejected, closed as a hammer. This shit is dumping now, guys. I just don't want to go short and then this shit goes psych and rips right up. Oh my god. It's literally in the middle of orb right now. It's in the middle of the freaking orb. We got 1 minute and 52 seconds. The shorts are looking pretty good, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My concern is that it does a retest and pops it. ATR is 32. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Is it gonna go lower? Oof. Let's see how this closes. Might have to look for a short here, man. If this shit continues to dump. Now, if it does a quick pop up, it might be cooked, but it's looking like a hammer on the freaking. It's complete engulfing, guys. I know it's a shooting star. It tried to go higher. It got rejected. Now it might want to go at least to halfway. Let's go, Lethal Mind. Welcome. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, I took one trade already. Took like a little partial, kind of scalped. Kind of looking for a second trade here. I might look at a short, but I hope this isn't a liquidity sweep here. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And it could dump straight to hell, man. But I just... I feel like it's a fake out to the downside, man. I feel like it's a freaking... I appreciate it, Lethal Mind. Thank you. I don't know, guys. It's up to you if you want to take that short. I don't feel 100% confident about it. I don't know. Up to you guys. I'm not. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna be good, guys. I'm gonna give it to 11. 11. I'll give it to 11. If no trade by 11, guys, I won't take a trade. Now, of course, it dumps or what? It did inverse. It did inverse this gap here strongly, so I wouldn't doubt if it dumps. It's just I don't want it to complete V-shape on my ass again. I don't know. I'm kind of weary about it. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is clearly dumping, but we're at the lows of the ES, so I don't want it to do this boink freaking double bottom pattern and then pop straight back up. It might sweep these lows right here and then completely pop straight back up. So I don't know. Anybody in this short, or everybody just waiting patiently? Oh, Alex, yeah, this is my full-time full-time job, man. I have other incomes from multiple things, so I'm able to do this full-time, and I am profitable. So yeah, this is my full-time gig. Let's see what happens here. It's dumping. It is dumping here. It did wick out of orb on ES. Just gotta be really careful that there's no double bottom here and it just reverses and pops straight back up. Why? Yeah, I was scared to take the short there because I had a feeling this is the shit that might happen. Now I will take a long, guys, if I see a green ass candle close all the way up here. I am retired Air Force and now a contractor for the government. That's badass, dude. That's awesome. Air Force. So you're definitely a smart guy. Air Force, you gotta be extra smart there. I know they don't just take anybody. But that's awesome, man. I appreciate your service. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Yeah, man. Everything with time, you know. Just the most important thing in trading is that you have to have income, guys. Psychologically, if you're trading just because, shout out to Alex, you got this, broski. Yeah, lethal mind, let's go. Psychologically, if you're trading and you don't have income and you're trying to do this to not work a 9 to 5, you gotta have other streams of income, guys. Something to keep your mind stable, because you're trying to be consistent in a market that is inconsistent. So it's gonna drive you crazy. You're not always gonna have winning streaks like I'm having right now, 14 weeks profitable. Now I do my best, but now, as you know, every week is not crazy amount of money. Some weeks won't be enough to pay bills. So it's just, It's you gotta have other streams of income, guys. You gotta have. Look at this indecision on NQ. It went down and popped right back up. That's why I was kind of worried on that that short. Maybe it shows up now. Let's see. Just be careful, guys. Take whatever scalps you can, because this market's moving really freaking strange. Really freaking strange. You own a coffee farm in Puerto Rico. That's that's fucking awesome. That's dope, man. That's really cool. Hey, I would like to move to Puerto Rico, possibly just for tax purposes. Puerto Rico is nice. I've been there many times. But yeah, that's cool, man. That's dope. Let's see. Don't do it. Don't move. Stay in Miami. Oh man. Or at least have a house there, you know? I could do the 6 months or 7 months there and then come back to Miami, what TJR does. Hey, could be beneficial, man. You're about to move to Orlando, Disney World. Let's go. Well, this market is completely... Is it dumping or is it gonna rip? What does it want to do? This shit is choppy, man. It's 10:56 and I haven't found a high probability setup, guys. I can't tell you that this thing is gonna go lower or higher at the moment. It's just completely very difficult right now. You bought a house in Orlando, Alex? Buy a house, but don't live there. Oh, I see what you're saying. Buy a house in Puerto Rico, but don't live there. Maybe. I don't know, man. I like Puerto Rico. Oh shit! This shit's coming off the screen now. Okay, I guess the short it was. This shit is dumping. Okay, clearly it was a short at this right here, but you know, it's fucking undecided. Did its retest, closed as a doji. Now let's see if this closes red. That's the thing. Look at this shit. I think we bro, I don't know, man. Super dump, bro. Oh my god. Is it gonna come down to the swing low? Is it coming down to the swing low? What in the world is happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. Hopefully somebody took a short when I said I felt sketchy and took that short and they hung out there for dear life. Now I got FOMO. There's no top wick on the top of this 5-minute candle. Double bottom? You think, Alex? You think it's going for that double bottom, man? This is a big dump. This is a massive fucking red candle, dude. Take a short scalp to the swing low. We got a minute. Let's see how this candle closes in a minute. If it sweeps these lows, then I won't short it. But if it closes here, I'll probably keep... Holy shit, look at this, bro. Oh my god. What in the fucking world? Yo, they're making it really freaking difficult, dude. Oh no, it's gonna sweep the damn swing low. It's gonna sweep it. Yeah, no, short's not in play now. It's gonna fucking bounce. It's gonna bounce now. Look at this shit, dude. Shooting star, complete dumperoonie. Wow. Wow. I'm not taking no trade here, guys. Wow. That is crazy. That shit completely dumped. Wow. Look at this. That's, yeah, double bottom for real. Could be popping now. Gotta be careful. Is it a... That was a clearly...
Tactical nuke incoming!
Yeah, it might have been... Oh my god. It's falling off the screen now. Bro, I'm always so worried like when it comes to freaking shorts. Bro, because I've been caught so many times going short this last week, and that shit kept popping on my ass. Alright, so we're gonna wait for a break and a retest if this goes under, man. I'm gonna wait for a break and retest. Look at this shit. Just completely fucking nuked to the bottom. We're at a pivot point here, so just be careful, guys. Another reason why I didn't take the short. Scared of this pivot point right here, swing low, lots of things to make this shit pop right back up. If it flushes, retest, then continues, I want to see freaking market structure. I don't see any structure. I see a freaking nothing. Rip, down. No pullbacks, no freaking continuation. This shit is just fucking a wave of shit. Well, elevator down, stairs up. That's why people like the shorts. The shorts are quick, man. You make money quick with the shorts. Look at this shit. This shit just decided I'm going straight to hell. Wow. There we go. I don't know, man. Wow. What is the madness? Well, it's 11 o'clock, guys, and I'm still here, but all right, I'll give it till 11:30. I just can't find a good entry point, man. I really can't find a good entry point. I want to see like a basic market structure, man. Notice I took the long here because I did a pop, showed a little pullback, did a pop up, went for the long. Here, the only little pullback was this right here, an indecision candle. This probably was the only spot that I kind of said I might have taken the short at right here, but I was sketchy about it. Like, I didn't feel very confident about it, but obviously it would have played out. It would have played out. For me, it felt like a 50-50, man, because this thing could have swept these things here, done this, and then ripped right back up. Same, I prefer shorts. Yeah, man, I don't know what it is. Why does everybody love shorts, bro? Everybody loves to short all-time highs. That's my thing, dude. I don't know. We're at all-time highs. I don't want to short anything up here. What a bloody candle, man. Bloody candle to the bottom. Oh, man. Hope nobody stayed in that long here. You completely obliterated your account. Damn, it took every key level. It didn't care about EMAs, SMAs, VWAP, highs, lows. Yup. Facts, bro. That shit just was like, cool story. Super trend completely flipped right here on this candle. This candle closes now. Oh, it closed already. Sorry. Closed here and just complete. I thought it was gonna bounce. Honestly, I thought it was gonna bounce at. It still could. It still could do this sweep and then flip green, guys. So gotta be really careful here, man. This shit is just fucking complete madness. Sometimes the best thing to do, guys, is to preserve capital. and not chase this shit. I'm not taking this short. I'm gonna wait for some sort of retest to the upside. Oof. Oh, my neck. I'm gonna wait for some sort of retest. Or maybe this shit turns into a complete V-shaped recovery. I mean, this shit is crazy out here. Shit gonna keep going lower, bro? What in the world? What in the world? Oh my god. What a bad one, bro. And I was thinking about this short here. I said it, guys. I was like, you guys can take it if you want, right? Remember I said that? I didn't feel confident about it, but holy shit, was I on point. I just, you know, I've seen this shit do this and then automatically pop, do like a dragonfly pattern. But I thought because, and I'll tell you my thought process. I thought because it did this massive wick up and it showed a bullish pin bar, shooting star. Sure, it wanted to retest maybe half of it, but not completely engulf it straight back down. I didn't think that shit was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna completely retest and then rip right back up and go even higher, but we are at all-time highs. So to break up to new levels, it's gonna take a lot of positive fucking news, but I guess there's been a lot of negative news because of the negotiations with Iran, the damn Fed chair nomination. I don't know. This shit is crazy right now. Yeah, now this shit is gonna pop straight back up. Look at this shit. Look at this. Now for me to look for longs, I'm looking for a pop all the way up here. I need to see a massive V-shaped recovery, guys. Massive. Massive V-shaped recovery back into orb. Maybe, yeah. For me to look for shorts, I want to see a green pop like this. And then a continuation. Red candles going right back outside of orb to the downside again. Shit is crazy right now. Shit is wildin'. That's why I didn't take no short. You just got to time that shit perfectly, bro. This was the trade right here. The short should have been right here. With stops right here. That would have been beautiful, huh? Oh, wow. Uh-oh. V-shape? Is it going to be a V-shape? We're getting that bounce. Double bottom? If you look at the 15-minute time frame, guys. Here we go. Boink. Swept the lows. Nice little sweep of liquidity here. Swept here. Could rip right back up again. So very interesting to stay patient. Sometimes it's nice to just watch, you know, not always taking these trades and just seeing how price is moving. Call me a weirdo. Like, this is interesting. Let's see if it does what I think it's gonna do. You stare at this shit long enough, guys, for years, you start noticing a lot of patterns. Just psychologically, you just look at this shit and you'll be like, yeah, I've seen that shit happen before. And your mind kind of remembers. Your mind kind of remembers, like, be careful with that one. We've been burned before. All right, so green engulfing. This could be just a retest. We'll see. Could be a retest. Could be a complete V-shaped recovery. Let's see what happens. Massive bullish pin bar now on the 1 hour. Massive bullish pin bar on the 15-minute. Is it going to reclaim VWAP all the way at the top? Is it overextended? Or is it just retesting VWAP to go right back down again? This shit is crazy right now. I'm going to stay on. If I see a good move, guys, I'll take it. But I just want to see a good move. ATR should be insane right now. 42, guys. 42. Got to be very careful. A 50-point stop loss is not much wiggle room for 42 ATR. Just so you guys understand. Staying patient here. This could be a massive pullback, guys. Sometimes it'll look for... See, there's no wick on top of this 5-minute candle. I've noticed also... Well, there's a very, very tiny wick there. Sometimes it wants to like rebalance that a little bit and then continue down. Or sometimes it just rips and closes up here, and then I'll be looking for a freaking long. If it does do that, this shit is wild. This shit is wild. What a wild ride. What a wild one. Oh man. This shit's going now to the moon. Oh my god. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second it's dying. The next second it just and pumps straight.
Green giant.
Complete engulfing green giant here. I want to see it inverse this imbalance. Possibly inverse this too. If it shows that green strong. Let's see. If this closes here, VWAP should move a little lower. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. It is right back in the middle of orb. Well, on the poll, I think it said chop, right? What was it, 25% chop? It's freaking choppy, guys. Believe it or not, I mean, this short was nasty, but I don't know. I don't know. I was just scared. It was like a 50-50 for me, bro. That short was a 50-50 for me. I'd rather look for longs. Man. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, guys, this is why I look for longs. Because overall time frame, 4 hours. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This thing wants to go higher. I think it wants to go higher. So I want to follow the trend. For me, the trend is your friend. Don't fight the trend. You could take quick scalps to the downside, you know? Absolutely. All right. That's a shooting star on the 15-minute time frame. What's ES looking like? ES looks like it's a regular pullback. I don't know. Can it go higher? Absolutely. We have VWAP right here though. Oh shit. Do you think it's gonna go lower? Shit. Do you think it's gonna go lower? I mean, the overall trend is... I'm gonna go long on this shit. 1 micro, guys. 1 micro. If it kills me, it kills me. I don't care anymore.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see. I think it wants to go higher. A little bit higher. At least a little bit higher. So I took a 1 micro long here. It's just showing me a bullish pin bar on the 15-minute time frame, and I think it just wants to go a tad bit higher before it goes lower. There we go. Come on. Give it to me. Don't start going down now. Let's go. Let's go. You guys can close it whenever you want. Should be green if you did take the long here. I think it wants to fill this imbalance. Maybe retest at least 80% of this imbalance. Maybe. I don't know. Either way, I'm just going to let it ride, win or lose. It's been kind of sketchy the whole damn time. Now it goes down, of course. You gotta love it. I mean, multiple reasons why I'm going long here. I know I didn't inverse it. I didn't get exactly what I wanted, but it hasn't been giving me anything that I wanted, really. Green candle completely engulfed, rejection to the downside, and maybe this was just a retest. Now it's coming straight for my stop loss. What a bad one. Fucking A. Or maybe it's just, yeah, I don't know. ATR is 40 something, right? Hopefully I have enough wiggle room for this shit. It doesn't tap me out and then goes straight to the moon. Wow. Wow. Right back fucking down. Or is it gonna pop straight back up? Come on, man. Oh, come on. This shit's very volatile right now. Gotta be very careful here, guys. Feel free to close it out if you want. This is not looking good. There is a pivot point right here. It kind of shattered that. It's retesting that pivot point. Hopefully it just bounces off ES pivot point there. Come on, go up. Don't break that pivot point. Rip right back up. A little volatility here. I am fighting the higher time frame a little bit. Come on, let's get some more pump. Get a little more pump. Come on, let's get a little more pump. At least 40 points, man. At least 40 points. You got a 41 ATR NASDAQ. Come on, you can do 40 points easy. Easy to the upside. Easy 40 points to the upside. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got to deal with Iran. We got to deal with Iran. Let's go. Pump it. The Strait of Hormuz is open. Let's go. It's reopened. Bro, it's super volatile, guys. Risking 100 here. I don't know, man. Shit's super chop. Come on, man. Fucking pump, dude. You just swept the lows even lower than before, and you pumped. So you had to get some buyers down there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's struggling. It's struggling, but is it gonna go? Let's go. Strait of Hormuz is open. You haven't heard? Y'all haven't heard? It's open. It's open. Let's go. Let's go. Rip it. Can you take me higher? Da-na-na-na-na. Let's go. They heard. There's a deal. We got a deal. We got a deal. Let's go. We got a deal. Let's go. We got a deal. Come on. Iran is stand down. Iran has stand down. Let's go. Pump it. To the moon. To the moon. Let's go. Pump it. Let's go. Is the auto trail gonna take over anytime soon, or what?
Green giant.
Let's go.
Green giant. Green giant.
Let's go. Come on, let's hear that cha-ching. I just need a little bit more. Let's hear that cha-ching. Be careful when it gets to VWAP, guys. Be very careful right there. I should have auto trail kick in once it hits VWAP. We got EMA 21. Can you do something for me? Come on. Don't run out of juice here, guys. Don't run out of juice. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on.
Green giant.
Pump it. Let's get a nice little pump. A little bit more. You guys can close it whenever you guys want. You guys can close it whenever you guys want. You don't have to hang on for dear life here like me. I'm gonna move to break even, bro. I don't like that shit. It's running out of steam. If it comes down and takes me out, guys, I'm done. I'm done. ATR is 41, so it might take me out. It might take me out. W Buckaroo, let's go. W for Buckaroo. My people are winning. That's all that matters to me. That's all that matters. This shit's coming right back for my stop loss. It's gonna stop me in profit. Is it gonna stop me? Or is it gonna pump? Is it gonna pump? Or is it gonna dump? Come on, let's get a ripper. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. It got very close. Very close to my stop. And it's now ripping. Let's go. OMG. Super close to OMG. Let's go. Oh no. Right back down again? Ain't no way. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a ripper. Let's get a ripper. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Oh. Oh, man. This shit is super volatile, guys. I'm just going to move that to like $8 just in case. It's going to take me out at $8. This shit is just fucking around. It's like, come on. Come on. Pop, 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 pop. Let's go. 2 minutes. Just rip it. Rip it. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. Let's get this shit ripping. My stop is really tight at $8 there. Come on. Oh, it's going to take me out and then go up. Watch. Come on. Rip, 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 rip to the moon. Last 2 minutes, just go. Rah! Let's go. Let's go. Oh, no. Fuck.
Stop filled.
Fuck, bro. This fucking volatility is insane. Well, guys, at least you guys won. Let's see here. Yeah, now this shit wants to go down. Whatever. Whatever. What do we make? $70. I made $30 during Asia session last night. Yeah, yesterday. Asia session. So, yeah, we're right here, guys. W for the day. Not a big win, bro, but a win is a win. This market's been fucking shitty. Yeah, I said it. I said it. Whatever. It's just not delivering, man. And it could deliver here, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's just, I don't know. Look at this shit. Look at this bullshit right here, bro. Look at this bullshit. I don't know. Alright, well, I'm done for the day, guys. A win is a win. That's right, Lethal Mind. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all of you guys. Tell your neighbors. Tell your friends. This guy knows how to trade. We've been profitable 13 weeks in a row. Yes, we're still profitable this week, as you can see here on my P&L. We got 129 for the week, 132. Not a lot of money, but markets have been in shitty conditions, but we just got to manage risk properly. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you. Hit that like button, share this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Hopefully we can finally find a banger. Look at this bullshit behind my screen here. This shit's now dumping it right back down again. I'm telling you, super chop zone, man. Super difficult to trade this shit. It was gonna go up, now it's going down. I can't trade this shit. At least, I mean, I can, but it's just very difficult right now, guys. Not ideal conditions. So W's in the chat. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Sound Engineering. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Bakaru, Lethal Mind, Lauren, 483. Let's go. That's my dog. Yo, Sound Engineering be killing the game. Killing the game. Let's go, man. All right. $483, guys. That is over 100 grand a year if you do that every day. Thank you, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, take care, Bakaru. All right. Take it easy, guys. I appreciate you guys. See you tomorrow, 9 a.m. I'll be here looking for a banger trade. Later.